In this video, we're going to show you how to set a Kate Spade-inspired Easter tablescape with several low-cost ideas that won't break the bank. But first, if you're new to Sunnyside Design, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll know when each of our new videos come out. Now let's jump right in and start with the basics by choosing a festive table runner. Think outside the box here. You can use anything from wide ribbons, scarves, fabric, an actual table runner, or something super cheap and disposable like this black and white striped wrapping paper. You can even customize the width by trimming it down a little. For the centerpiece, you can opt for fresh flowers or potted plants to create a colorful focal point. We found these gorgeous tulips at the grocery store, and to keep them looking their best, we used a simple hack anyone can do. So keep watching so you can try this hack for yourself. Then add some bunnies using your color scheme. And if you're feeling creative, you can even create your own decorations with materials from around the house. Just stick to the cheerful yet sophisticated style of Kate Spade. And this is just what we did with some black plastic eggs that we found at Target a couple years ago. And we just simply embellished them with 3D sticker dots we found at Hobby Lobby. Super easy to do, super inexpensive, and they have that customized Kate Spade look. Each place setting is set with an inexpensive black charger and gold-rimmed plates. You can find simple chargers and plates at the dollar store, or take a trip to the thrift store, which is where we found these gold-rimmed plates several years ago. And to complete the table setting, we used my great-grandma's old silver-plated flatware. To bring in that pop of color in true Kate Spade fashion, use bright colored napkins with elegant napkin rings. We found these hem-stitched napkins on Amazon, and they are so pretty. They're beautiful and affordable, and this napkin fold is super simple to do as well. First, you'll fold the napkin in half on the diagonal. Then roll the napkin starting with the wide side first. Then you'll simply fold the napkin in half and slide the napkin ring on. And finally, place an egg in the loop of each napkin. We're using some old paper mache eggs from our stash. We've painted them black and then used a chalk marker to write each guest's name on them. Aren't these napkin rings perfect for the Kate Spade look? They're from Totally Dazzled, and you can get a package of 10 of these pearl and rhinestone napkin rings for only $20. So if you want to set any elegant table, check out their napkin rings. They are affordable, and you can find the shopping links down in the description box below. With these simple steps and budget-friendly ideas, you can create a beautiful and elegant tablescape that will lighten the atmosphere and set the perfect stage for your gathering this year. We want to see your creativity, so show us how you set your own Kate Spade-inspired Easter table this year by tagging us on Instagram using the hashtag #ToTheSunnyside_Easter_Table_Inspo. We can't wait to see what you come up with, so have fun with it and enjoy! Up next, we're going to show you how to create a simple and affordable Easter tablescape inspired by Pottery Barn, complete with a quick hurricane dupe for only $8 and these darling faux chocolate bunny napkin rings. And if you're still looking for even more Easter table inspiration, we've gathered over 100 different ideas in our Easter playlist. Just tap the link on your screen or in the description box below. And as promised, to keep your tulips from drooping and looking sad to perking up and looking like this, use this simple hack. Add a penny to a vase filled with water before adding the tulips. The older the penny, the better. Pennies made before 1982 have a higher percentage of copper. If your pennies are newer, you'll want to add in a handful. In all, we used about 15 since ours are newer. Then all you need to do is wait for the copper to work its magic. At minimum, this will take about an hour, but it could take several hours. We left ours overnight, and they were perky the next morning. Thanks for watching! We'll see you in the next one!